Hey guys, it's Danny from Twistid in Central Florida with Tattoo.com. Today we're doing a product review with InkBed, and today I got the InkBed hydraulic InkBed. Thing's actually pretty cool. It has some pretty nice features on it. I've been using it for a couple weeks now, and all the stitching's really held up. Cool part is a lot of the cover is unzipped, so wait for cleaning purposes. This thing is very versatile. It raises up nice and high, and it gets down pretty low too. Now it does have these cool little pneumatic lifts that actually lift the legs up. It also extends for the legs, so that way if you have a taller person in the chair, the legs actually do come out a bit more. So you can extend that and actually have the person have a little bit more leg support out by the ankle, which is always nice. One of the other cool features of this chair is that the legs actually swing open also. So that way, if you do happen to have somebody where you need to do a back piece, you can actually have the person straddle the chair. The armrests are removable. This was an addition for it. It was one of the options that I decided to get with the chair. So you can actually remove all the armrests from it, which is also nice, so that way they don't get in the way as much. But you can do a full back piece just with the person sitting up. If you want, you can have them lay down too. Now, if you're dealing with a tall person, the headrest does actually extend out. If they're facing for the back, have them put their head in the hole. It actually works out pretty nice. When you do have somebody facing that way, one of the other cool features about the chair is it has this nifty little handle in the back, and that handle lets the client actually have something to grasp on. It's a padded bar. The padding on it is removable, and also the cover is removable. So cleaning, once again, it's all about safety, and you can wipe this whole thing down from that side and clean this thing up. It's a really great product. All the locks on it, between the wheel locks, the swivel locks, so that way you can't turn this thing back and forth. Thing's great. The brakes on it are great as far as when you lock the wheels into position, so that way if you go to lean on the client while you're working on them, you don't have to worry about them scooting across the floor, which is great. Now, if you do have somebody that's getting a back piece, they also have a nifty little bar here for their feet, which I can show you. Said the armrests are removable. And when the client gets onto the chair, they can straddle here, and they actually have a bar to put their feet up against, and their face can easily go into here, so it's actually quite comfortable for the client. It's a little bit easier for you. It takes some of the pressure off the client as far as if they have problems laying down for long periods of time, they feel better sitting up. And for you, the artist, getting closer behind them, you can swing the legs out of the way, which is great, and actually scoot right up behind the client, and that way you have a fully exposed back. All in all, it's a really good chair, and it has a lot of great features, and if you can, give it a shot. I mean, if you can afford it, it's actually one of the better chairs on the market. Price-wise, it's great. I would definitely suggest giving it a shot. And that's all I got for you. So thanks for watching. Once again, this is Danny from Twistid in Central Florida and Tattoo.com. Have a good one.